Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Twitch payouts to PayPal or bank transfer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Twitch payouts to PayPal or via bank transfer, first, log into your Twitch account. Navigate to the dashboard by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Creator Dashboard. In the Creator Dashboard, find the Settings option on the left sidebar. Click on Payouts to access your payout settings. If you haven't set up a payment method yet, you'll need to do that first. For PayPal, click on the Add PayPal button. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Confirm the email address and save the changes. For bank transfer, select the option to add your bank account details. Provide your account number and the routing number as required. Once you have added a payment method, check your payout threshold in the same section. Ensure you have met the minimum payout threshold to make a withdrawal. If you are eligible, locate the Request Payout button in the Payout section. Click on this button to initiate the payout process. Choose your desired payout method, either PayPal or bank transfer. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your choice. Review the information you provided and ensure everything is correct. Submit your payout request. You will receive a confirmation email once your request is processed. The payout may take a few days to reflect in your selected account, depending on the method chosen. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your payout status. If you encounter any issues, you can reach out to Twitch support for assistance. Once the funds are in your account, you will be able to use them as you wish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.